Our solution's an Oracle Apex application for inventory and asset management. We've been doing this for a number of years for the UK MOD, and this is an opportunity to provide it for a commercial organisation. So it's based around a social network, so enabling communication between design engineers, installation engineers as an asset goes through the process, so that they're able to communicate between each other and make sure that assets are installed in the right locations, and enable tilers to do the design and plan the installation without having to close the site, which saves them significant money in terms of having to reduce site visits on the London Underground, which is really expensive. Closing a line for 4 hours in order to do the same thing twice is not good for them. Industry collaboration is important because as a company there's things that we want to do. We want to be a data business, we want to offer tools and advice. We're not interested in providing sensors onto platforms. So actually collaborating and partner with the companies that are really interested in putting sensors on is really interesting for us.